Hi everyone, welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Today we are going to talking about conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is a way of representing the data itself, not extracting from it, but to visualize some insight from the data. For an example, in this employee sales data table, if we want to know uh, which are the most sales in this from this table, we'll have to just click on home and select our table and click on conditional formatting. Here you can see there is a highlight sales rules, so we'll highlight the cells with greater than 300. So if we put in here 450, just go with the green field with dark green text and select OK. So in this table you can see here we have sales that are made by our employees which are greater than 450. This is a way of knowing that which employee and in which month the sales were greater than $450. So this way we can know which employee and in which month we have the most sales. And another thing is we'll just clear the rules. Another thing is when we want to know how with three color schemes how the employees have gone so far in the entire year, we'll just have to click on conditional formatting and create a new rule. So here we can see select rule type. We have various type of rules. We'll format all the cells based on their values and we'll select on three color scale. So you can see here the lowest value, the minimum, which will be represented in the red percentile, is 50. That means the 50 or closer parts will be represented in yellow and the highest value will be represented in green. We can also set it in number, but we'll just go with the percentile 50. And if we click OK and hit OK, so here you can see the tables is in three color schemes. The most sales, these are in green, more green, and the less sales are represented in red. So this is how we can manage and get the sales and get the numbers represented in three different colors. So another way to format our cells is doing it by the above and below average. So that means it will show cells or what percentages are below average and what are above average. To do that, we'll just select our cells and go to top bottom rules and above average. So above average, we'll just select on green with green text. Okay. Also, we'll have to just click on below average and let them be in red. So here in the cells you can see the above average and below average cells from this table. This is also a way of representing the data, how the employees going all over the months throughout a year. Another thing I want to show you that you can create your rules. I'll just here select our data and click on the rules, click on new rule. So you can see here there are some preset rules like formatting only cells that contain, by that we can just select or cells that contain a specific number, the only top or bottom ranked values. And this is also a great way to represent the data. So if here we can just select top 15 top or bottom rules. So format, we'll just format fill it with green. Okay, and select OK. In these cells you can see here the top 15 of the cells are represented in much darker green. I hope you can see that. We'll just clear rules. And another most important thing, we can in the icon sets we can set icon for the table to show that which cells are going up, down, or just going same. So you can get an idea by seeing the icons here. So to do that, we'll just select our data and go to icon sets. So if we just hover over the icon sets, you can see that it changes in the way of how the sales or the value is going up or down or remaining the same. So you can use all of them. There is a much definite way to represent the data by using the icon sets. So to do that, we'll just set a new rule, and we can here select icon sets. So for example, if your company or your organization have a specific target to fill up, for example, in this sales table, if we set target of sales, for example, like for example 450 is a top target that we need to fill up, then 350 and below that. So to do that, we'll just select an icon that represented it well. So if we just select these 5 quarters, that will give us more way to work. So here we can select number and just select 450, that is the top value. In the second quarter, we'll just select number and maybe 400. For the third, we'll just select it in 350, and the fourth quarter would be 300. This is an example. You can set your own organization's target, and we'll just click OK here. And here you can see how the employees are doing, if they are meeting their targets or not. So this is a very efficient way to see if the employees are doing their work at best, or can they fulfill their target to sales. So that was all about conditional formatting. If you have any queries, you can just ask in the comment section, or in our Telegram channel. You can just join the Telegram channel using the link in the description. If the video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.